Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we'll be discussing the Diesel Particulate Filter, DPF, an essential yet sometimes controversial component of a modern diesel vehicle's exhaust system. In this video, we'll look at how the DPF works, why it gets clogged, and what may happen if you decide to remove it. If you're into car-related content, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming videos. A diesel particulate filter is a ceramic-based insert in the exhaust system of a diesel engine. Its main job is to capture fine particulate matter, PM, often called soot, preventing these harmful substances from being released into the atmosphere. Over time, the DPF heats up to burn away the accumulated soot, keeping the exhaust system clean and reducing pollution. Frequent low-speed driving. If you spend a lot of time in traffic or drive mostly at low RPM, the filter may not reach the high temperature needed to burn off soot automatically. Low-quality fuel, poor quality diesel can contain more impurities, which end up collecting in the filter. Turbocharger issues. If the turbo is faulty, it may allow oil to leak into the exhaust, accelerating soot buildup in the DPF. Improper maintenance. Skipping scheduled servicing or using the wrong type of engine oil can speed up clogging and reduce the DPF's efficiency. There's no one-size-fits-all answer, as much depends on your goals and priorities. Removing the DPF might momentarily boost engine power and reduce exhaust system restrictions. However, it can bring a host of downsides, from increased environmental harm to the possibility of legal penalties in many regions. Environmental impact. Without the filter, your exhaust releases higher levels of harmful particles and gases, contributing to air pollution, higher fuel consumption. In some cases, engine operation changes after DPF removal, causing an increase in fuel usage. Potential engine damage. Excess soot and oil can accumulate inside the engine, speeding up wear and tear. Legal risks. Many countries have regulations requiring vehicles to have a functioning DPF. Violations can result in fines or registration issues. Improved engine performance. A less restricted exhaust flow may offer a slight power increase. Simplified system, fewer parts to maintain or replace, though this only applies if it's done with proper tuning. Worse emissions, more harmful pollutants are expelled into the environment. Legal penalties. You may face fines or fail inspections if the vehicle no longer meets emissions standards. Potential mechanical issues. Problems can arise with the turbo, catalytic converter, or crankcase ventilation system. Some drivers believe that removing the DPF will reduce fuel consumption because of decreased exhaust back pressure. In reality, the opposite can happen when the engine control unit, ECU, isn't recalibrated correctly or tries to compensate for missing components. It can lead to a higher fuel burn. You may also struggle to pass future emissions or safety inspections due to increased pollution. Mechanical removal. Specialists may cut out the filter or punch out the internal ceramic structure and weld in a pipe section. ECU tuning required. If the ECU is not reprogrammed, it will continue to detect a missing DPF and may trigger error codes or force the vehicle into limp mode. Unstable performance. Without proper software adjustments, the vehicle might suffer from poor fuel economy, rough idling, or reduced engine responsiveness. Noticeably higher fuel consumption. Performance issues like hesitation or jerking during acceleration, excessive black smoke from the tailpipe, warning lights on the dashboard, either a dedicated DPF light or a general check engine light. Special cleaning fluid, sold in auto parts stores, typically added to the fuel tank or applied directly to the filter. You then drive at higher speeds or RPM to help burn away the soot. Preventive driving. Occasionally driving at freeway speeds allows the DPF to reach the temperature needed for self-regeneration. Use proper fuel and oil. Quality diesel and the correct engine oil grade, as recommended by the manufacturer, can prolong your DPF's lifespan. If do-it-yourself methods aren't effective or you're unsure about tackling the problem on your own, it's best to visit a specialized auto service. Professionals can check the filter's condition, perform ultrasonic or chemical cleaning, and replace the DPF if it's irreparably damaged or missing. The DPF is essential for reducing harmful diesel emissions. Clogging can occur due to low-speed driving, poor quality fuel, or neglecting regular maintenance. While removing the DPF might offer a short-lived power boost, it typically comes with serious environmental, mechanical, and legal ramifications. In many cases, you can solve DPF problems by using specialized cleaning methods or replacing the filter rather than removing it. Remember that taking care of your DPF also means taking care of the environment and staying compliant with emission standards. Thank you for watching till the end. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.